LeTAO are the best-selling cakes in Japan, and when you try one you'll understand why. They're all made in Japan, flash frozen and shipped to Australia. When I bought my first cake, it had an expiry 6 months in advance. The expiry date means you can keep it in your freezer until that time, and when you defrost it, you need to eat it within 48 hours. I've purchased a few cakes in LeTAO Sydney and they've all had a few months to expiry, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't check it. Because here's a cake I bought on the 21st of May. It's got an expiry only 10 days. That means it's been sitting in the storeroom for 6 months. When I raised this issue with LeTAO Sydney, they took a couple of days to investigate. Then they said I need to bring the cake back out to the city store and replace it, all before the end date next week. Shame on you, LeTAO.